Hi, we're the HBP Group and we help manufacturers increase efficiency and improve profitability with MRP systems and manufacturing software. Now, if you're a manufacturer who works in the engineering side of manufacturing, then one of your biggest challenges will be understanding your profitability by either product, project, or customer. And one of the big reasons for that is that your labour involvement in the manufacturing process is so high and so skilled. So actually understanding that element of cost is really, really important. Now, obviously your raw material costs or your component costs are important to that as well, but understanding the full picture can be difficult to do without an MRP system. Now, with Advanced Business Cloud Essentials, because our production schedule understands all of the elements and all of the processes that need to go into manufacturing a specific product, it's very easy for us to report on actually the costs of that project or that product and ultimately the profitability of it as well. So outside of obviously our costs of stock, which of course the system manages fully, and the production schedule, which again it manages fully, it also manages our people as well and our payroll. So we can understand the costs of our staff against each product and each project, and even further than that as well, any expenses they claim or are needed as part of that job can be assigned to the costs of those as well. So from there, with a single data source for all of these elements, we can get an accurate and true picture of what the costs are for each product or each project, as well as the profitability for them as well. And that's really, really key. Now, on top of that, as I've mentioned, the system manages our stock. So when we need to buy components, no longer are we relying on someone having a quick check and seeing what's left. We can carry out stock checks and understand what we have either in a single stock location or across multiple, but we can also understand how much of that stock is committed to orders that need to be produced. And we can even look into our CRM system and see what is actually in the sales pipeline as well. So what could affect our stock levels in the coming weeks and months. All of that leads into our stock purchasing, which then means we can buy accurately and efficiently. Now, we can do that one of two ways. We can look at the full amount of stock that we want to buy and look for price breaks with certain suppliers and go out for multiple quotes. Or we can buy at the right time, maximising our cash flow so that we don't understock, but we also don't overstock as well. On top of that, Advanced Business Cloud manages every element of your business. So everything from CRM, stock, order processing, as I've mentioned, but also even your accounts and your payroll as well. So by having one single system, what that means is our reports are accurate, they're almost instant as well, and ultimately that means that you can make better decisions about your business on a day-to-day basis. Now, if you're interested in finding out how we can help with that, we do offer a free business process review. What this does is it looks at 3 key areas in your business. Those 3 key areas in your business are likely to be areas where you're struggling or you want to improve. What we'll do is we'll visually map out those processes so we can see how you're working right now, but we'll also visually map out how they would work in an MRP solution, such as Advanced Business Cloud Essentials. With that information in mind, you can make really good decisions then about what you can do with an MRP package and how it can save you time and increase efficiency. So if you're interested in finding out more, just simply request one of our free business process reviews and we'll be in touch to get the ball rolling.